guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a kind of special unboxing. It's a Funko Pop unboxing. If you read the title, you already know what it is. It is the Sandlot Funko Pop wave. So I really like the movie The Sandlot. I remember it, from when I was younger as a child watching it. I always loved it. Partially, I liked how cute the boys were. I liked Benny the Jet Rodriguez. I was like, oh, he's so cute. But the story was really fun. I like the whole coming of age kind of movies. It's kind of like it's similar to Stand By Me, but not as dark, obviously. But yeah, when I saw that they were coming out with this, when I saw Funko announced the Sandlot Pops, I was super excited. And then when I saw videos of them, I really liked the sculpts and everything, and I knew I wanted all of them. So pretty much, I believe there were 4 common pops, which were 4 of the boys, and then there were 2 exclusives. One was a 2-pack set, which was exclusive to Target, and the other was exclusive to GameStop. So I have all the pops here, and I have the exclusives, and I also have the common pops. Now, the interesting part is that I wanted to share was the common pops. I pre-ordered them through CollectorZown. So CollectorZown it's kind of like an online community. They also have an actual physical store. I think it's in Minnesota. Don't quote me on that. I'm gonna link their info down below. But basically, I found out about them from another YouTuber, Disney Monster, who is his name is Rylan, and he does really interesting videos, kind of reviewing horror and Disney, which is you wouldn't think they'd go together, but they surprisingly do. And I love both franchises. I love Disney stuff. I love horror in general. So perfect channel to watch. And then he is part of the CollectorZown community, and I got interested, so I checked them out on Facebook, and I signed up on the Facebook group, and it's really cool because they pretty much they get at the time when I signed up, they only had certain companies that they were working with, one of them being Funko. I can't remember what the other one was, but now, they've gotten a lot bigger. They have a lot more companies now. So I think they also work with NECA. They work with Mezco. They're also obviously Funko. And I'm not sure. I know there's some other companies also that they get items from, but those are the ones that stick in my head because those are the ones that I myself purchase and order. So it's really cool that they can be kind of like the middle person to get you all these items. So sometimes certain pops or certain items it's difficult to get directly from the company. NECA items, it's hard to get them from the NECA website. And I know that you can get them from Amazon sometimes, but they sell out really fast. So the good thing with CollectorZown is you can pre-order, and they put it up on the Facebook page. You can set it to get notifications, and you can pre-order it. And they know collectors. So for instance, with Funko Pops, if you're a pop collector, generally you fall into 2 camps. If you're a hardcore value collector, usually you care about the boxes. If you don't care, you just collect them because you love them, which is fine also. You don't really care if the box is bent or damaged because you're taking out that pop. I kind of fall in the middle. Some of them, if they're very valuable, I keep them in the box. I want good boxes. So I generally start off wanting good boxes. But some of them are just too good. You got to take them out of the box. Every pop I have, even the most valuable ones that I have taken out of the box. That's just me. Because even though they're valuable, I never plan on selling them because I bought them because I love them. But other pops I keep in the box, I keep in protectors, but even those I've taken them out one time at least, just to check the paint jobs and if there's any damage and everything like that. I have to take them out of the box. But the thing with CollectorZown is they know this. They know the importance of quality shipping so that the boxes don't come damaged. They package everything amazing, which you're gonna see now because I pre-ordered the Sandlot wave from them. So I have the whole thing, and they package it so carefully. I've ordered other stuff before. I ordered a Chase Pop, and it came immaculate. And the one time that it didn't, they worked with me. They sent me a replacement box. It was great customer service. So they usually they do have deals occasionally, but generally with the newer items, like if you're gonna buy like Pops or pre-order stuff, you're gonna pay retail price, and you know, you pay the shipping, a flat rate, but it's worth it because you have peace of mind. Like if you really care about the quality of the boxes, you're gonna get good boxes. And for instance, I ordered some NECA items. There was like some slight box damage, and with NECA, I don't really care about the boxes. To me, like I take them out of the box, so I don't care if the box is damaged. But Marcos, who is one of the owners, I think he's an owner or he's like one of the head guys over there at CollectorZown, he immediately messaged me on Facebook and let me know that the item was in, because I had ordered it prior when they first said that they were going to get them. He messaged me, he's like, oh, your item's in, but there is some slight box damage. And it was a NECA item, so I was like, oh, that's fine, I don't care, like as long as the figure's good, send it over, I'm ready. Like I've been waiting for this figure. And that was it. It was just it's such great customer service. It's such a good community, and everyone there is very like helpful and very customer service oriented. So I wanted to do this unboxing to show you how they package the Pops, and also to show you the Pops because I love the Sandlot. So I'm really excited. To start off though, I do want to show you the 2 exclusives because those did not come from CollectorZown. These I got obviously at GameStop and at Target. So the first Pop I'm going to show you is the one I got from GameStop, and that is the Beast. So this is really cool because, let me just get a little closer there for you so you can see it. There we go. So you can see like he's got like all the like saliva, and if you remember the movie, he drools like crazy. So this is cool. He has the ball, which, I don't know if everyone has seen the movie, but it plays a major role, this ball. And the only thing I wish would have made this even cooler is if you could actually see the autograph on the ball. So if you've seen the movie, you know what I mean. And yeah, this is a really cool Pop, and you see it has the exclusive sticker right there. Let me show you the box a bit. You can see the side art, and there you can see the full wave, which I have. I'm going to show that to you next. And that's the other side, and there we go. So that's the Beast, and he's not really that heavy. I thought he'd be a little heavier, but in reality, like in the movie, he seems so enormous at first, but he's just a normal sized dog. Like I'm not really sure what breed it is. I think it's like a pit bull. I'm not really sure, but yeah. So that's the first exclusive. Now the second exclusive is pretty much my favorite. It's the one I had to get. It took me a while to get it because Target is notoriously difficult to get Pops from, especially Target exclusives. And when this first came out, it was really popular. So we have the 2-pack, and this is Squints with Wendy Peppercorn. So Wendy, if you've seen the movie, she's the lifeguard. So she's older than Squints, obviously. If you can see, let me make sure there's no glare. So you can see them there. She's got her sunglasses, her little whistle, and he's in his bathing suit. Super cool. There's no side art really on the 2-packs, but this is the back. You can see the other Pops. But this is an awesome 2-pack. Like, that's one of the pivotal moments to me in the movie because it's just like, it's such a like pre-teen thing to do what Squints does, like to get her to get a kiss from her. And then of course, like if you've seen the movie, at the very end, they kind of explain how that ends up they end up getting married when they're older, which I think is so cute. So yeah, that's one of the fun moments in the movie because he's like in love with her and she's driving him crazy with the oiling of the suntan lotion constantly, and it's just hilarious how he like gets a kiss from her. So I definitely recommend watching the movie. So now we're gonna get into the CollectorZown box. So let me use my handy dandy knife, and I am super excited. And I haven't opened this, it's all sealed up. But I have no doubt that everything is packaged perfectly. Okay, so oops, let me close this up. Safe. Better safe than sorry. So right here, bam, double boxed. Perfect. They're all in nice and safe, and they're all in a box, a separate box. So that is going to keep them pretty much mint condition. So here we have our first Pop. Let's take it out and see who we got. All right, so here we got Smalls, and I actually keep these cardboard boxes, like I ran out of the plastic pop protectors, so I keep the cardboard boxes and I use those as protectors. Like if I'm gonna put my pops away, because I have a lot of pops, so I don't display all of them. So the ones I don't display are in storage, and to put them in the storage, I either have them in the plastic protectors or I put them back into these cardboard ones, which are awesome. So I have a bunch of these cardboard ones. But yeah, so this is Squints. You can see him right there. And not Squints, Smalls, I'm sorry. So this is Smalls, and he's kind of the narrator of the movie. So he's the one like that you're following, and you see everything pretty much from his perspective. So he's like the new kid in the neighborhood, and he's making friends, and he meets all these other guys, and they become like a little group, you know, the Sandlot crew, and they play, you know, baseball. Like it's all themed around baseball. But yeah, I really like that he has the black eye. So he looks really cool, and he has the baseball, obviously, really cute. And it actually does look like the actor, because he has like the dirty blonde hair and everything, and then the old ball cap that he has. It's really nice, and the detail is awesome. Like you can see right down there, like I don't know if you can see that he has the little shoelaces. Very, very detailed. All right, so we have Smalls. Okay, let's go on the next one. And again, the box, perfect, pristine condition. All right, so let's see who we got here. Oh, my girl crush. This is my girlhood crush, I should say. So here we have Benny the Jet Rodriguez. So they only have Benny as his name there because he wasn't the Jet yet. That's when he grew up. But yeah, so he's kind of like the unofficial leader of the Sandlot crew. He's the most like athletic, and he's kind of the larger boy, you know, very kind of cool. So but he's a nice kid. So he's not like with the bullies, kind of like he helps them like kind of stand up to them, but he's just one person. So he still has to like kind of run away when things get crazy. But yeah, he looks really cool. I love his outfit, and I love the expression on his face. Like he's like concentrating, like he's ready to hit those home runs. So that's cool. So we have Benny and Smalls, and they're like the best friends. Like they become best friends during the movie. So that's like the two unofficial kind of leaders of the crew, because Smalls ends up becoming more confident through his friendships and everything, which is, you know, that's the message of the movie, kind of like, you know, good friends and everything, and just, you know, coming of age stuff. So here we have Squints, who we've already seen a pop of Squints, which is the one with Wendy Peppercorn. I don't know, can you see? Okay, I'm trying to like make sure I'm not blocking the camera. So here though, he's not in his bathing suit, but he's wearing his regular outfit. Again, the box is mint, like pristine condition, which is exactly what CollectorZown like guarantees. So there we have Squints. Love it. Love the accurate outfit. Love that his baseball cap is backwards, because that's how he used to like wear it in the movie. So let's put him over here. All right, and then our last pop. So there we go. Our last pop is gonna be the Great Hambino. So here we have Ham. I forgot what his real name was in the movie. It's like his nickname. But this is Ham. And he's kind of like the Joker, big mouth of the crew. He's really cool, and, you know, he calls himself the Great Hambino after, you know, Babe Ruth and all that. Or as Smalls would say, Baby Ruth, that chick Baby Ruth, that girl. But, yeah, so he looks really good. I like that they made him a little bigger than the other boys, because he is the chubbier one in the group. And I love that they did the freckles on him and everything. Very good detail. And his chin, too, because he has, like, a very distinctive chin. So if you could see that, you see his chin right there. Yeah, you can see that. Trying not to get the glare. So, yeah, that is the entire Sandlot Funko wave, as far as I know. I don't know if they're going to do more. There are other boys in the Sandlot. Like, I think one of them was Yeah, I think was his name. Because he always said yeah for everything. And I think there was someone else. I'm trying to remember. I don't remember all their names off the top of my head, but I know there was like 2 or 3 other boys in the group. So hopefully they'll do that. And I'm trying to think. I don't think there's anyone else really major in the movie. you know, because they already have the Beast, which is kind of like the antagonist, unless they do one of the group of the other like bully boys that were like the athletic ones that play baseball, and they have like the you know, battle the game against them to try to win the rights to play in the Sandlot. Maybe they'll do the leader of those boys. I don't know. That would be cool though. I would love to see that. And but yeah, so I hope they do the other boys. But otherwise, I'm really happy with this wave. I'm really happy that they did this 2-pack with Wendy Peppercorn, because that is perfect. My only gripe, like I said, is the fact that the ball in Beast's mouth, like I wish you could see the autograph, because that would be like just perfect. But yeah, so this was my you know, haul for the Sandlot Funko Pop wave. Thanks to CollectorZown for sending me those commons. They're perfect condition, mint. And you know, I'm definitely gonna keep them in the boxes, except when, you know, when I take them out to display them, because they look amazing. So thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna link CollectorZown down below. You can go check them out as well. You know, if you're interested, you know, just ask to join the Facebook group. And, you know, make sure you get your notifications opened up so that you'll get notified of when they get new product. Like I said, now they have a lot more companies that they're working with. So if you don't collect Funko, maybe you collect NECA or you collect Mezco items like I do. So you can get those too. Like I've gotten NECA figures. I got the new, you know, the 2 Pennywises that came out from the new movie, and also the Tim Curry version. I also ordered, what else did I order? I'm trying to think. I think I ordered Pan's Labyrinth, and I've ordered other pops from them. So yeah, awesome group, great customer service. I highly recommend them. And yeah, love the Sandlot pops. So if you like this video, if you like my content, hit the like button below, click the subscribe, let me know you're out there. Bye bye for now.